Hi, and welcome back to Right Style TV. Today I'll be doing my Sunday dinner. My Sunday dinner will be brown stew chicken with gungo, rice and peas. I have 3.5 pounds chicken in this bowl, which has been washed and cleaned properly. I'll start to season the chicken. Half a teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon perfect seasoning, half a teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon dried thyme, half a teaspoon parsley flakes, half a teaspoon soy sauce, one teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, some thyme, green and red bell pepper, that's 2 pieces, 1 piece green, 1 piece red, small tomato, some pieces scotch bonnet pepper, some chopped garlic, and some chopped ginger. That will be it. While I rub these in, my hands are clean. I'll get back to you when I'm browning the meat. That's after it's marinated. I've been marinating it for about an hour. See you then. Okay, I'll give you a sneak preview of the gungo rice and peas. I'll be putting it on now. The gungo was soaked overnight, and I have in this pot some crushed scallion, otherwise called green onion, some about 4 sprigs of thyme, water is salted, I have ginger, I have pimento, and some crushed garlic. So I'll be putting this on the fire now to start boiling. I'll get back to you. Okay folks, I'm back to my gungo peas and rice. I have seasoned up the pot, put in the coconut milk, and it's on its way. When it's finished and I'm plating, you'll see how wonderful it looks. Wish you were here to get the odor coming out of this pot. How wonderful it looks. Oh my goodness. So, see you when the plating. Okay, I'm back again. I'll be browning the pieces of the chicken and then I'll be stewing it down. So here goes. Oh, nice they look. Wonderful. The rice has finished cooking. Rice over there. That's the rice. That's the nice chicken. Okay. So as soon as I'm finished browning, then I'll be stewing the chicken pieces. I'll get back to you. Okay folks, the brown stew chicken has completed. Looking very good, smelling very good. In a couple of minutes I'll be plating my Sunday dinner. How lovely it looks. I'm feeling very, very hungry right now, but that hunger will be taken care of very soon. I've also got some fried plantains to go with it. See you when I'm plating. Okay, I'm back and this is my Sunday dinner plated. Brown stew chicken with gungo rice and peas, with some veggies and fried plantain. I also have a cup of strawberry juice. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.